All right, this is Mr. Wyrick. Going to go through this review with you real quick. Triangle MRW has points at -10, -6. This would be M. -4, -1. This would be R. And then W is -9, -1 right here. Or sorry, -9, 1, which is right here. That'd be W. So I've got this triangle like this. Translate the triangle up 5 units. Or 5 units to the right and 7 units up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's the new triangle. Should be the same triangle, and that'd be M prime, R prime, W prime. Okay, so translations. This one, 7, -1 would be right here, that's M. 5, -1 would be right here, that's R. And 6, -2 would be right here, that's J. Translate 4 units down and 3 units left. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. That's my new J, so the others are just going to be right there like that. So M, R, and those are both primes. MSK is -3, 4. -4, -3. And -5, 1, 2, 3, 4. So a very long one like this. Reflect over the y-axis means these are still going to have that exact same height. We're just going to go to 1, 2, +3, +4, and then down here in between them. So that's how that goes. Okay, number 4. Sorry, I'm not still labeling here. 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10. 3, 4. Yeah. 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 8, 10. Very skinny kind of triangle here. Over the x-axis means we're going to keep the same x value. We're just going to swap. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, right there. And then 8 over 10 down. So again, very skinny kind of triangle here. MSD, -4 up 3, -6 up 8, -1, 1, again long and skinny. Rotate 90 degrees clockwise. Remember the clock face. Here's 12, here's 6, here's 9, here's 3. Going with the numbers is clockwise. Going against those numbers is counterclockwise. So we rotate it. You can just kind of go like this and you see what it looks like. Yeah. Over 4, up 3. And then, what, over 6? No, over 8 and up 6. So again, long, skinny kind of thing here. We should see it rotated. 8, 4. Here's this, -2, -2, and 3, -1. Another long, skinny one. Reflect this over the line y = x. Easiest thing to do here is actually kind of graph in the line y = x. That -2, -2 is not going to change. The others, you can kind of go like here's diagonal, here's diagonal, here's diagonal, here's diagonal, and be able to go and kind of reflect like that so that we have this symmetry across that line. It's similar to kind of what we were looking at on that practice performance task. The McDonald's sign, the symmetry here is just right down through the middle right here. That's reflectional symmetry. If I could turn it and have it look the same, it would be rotational symmetry. Since it doesn't have that rotational symmetry, it's not going to be both, and it can't be neither because we do have that reflectional symmetry. Number 8, a triangle sits entirely in quadrant 3. The quadrants go 1, 2, is it? 1, 2, no, they go counterclockwise. 3, and this one's 4. Okay. If it's rotated 180 degrees about the origin from 3, it's now in 1. Number 9, a shape is dilated by a scale factor of 4/5. Because 4/5 is between 0 and 1, it's going to get smaller. It obviously can't do both. If it was multiplying by 1, that's when it would do neither. True or false, a shape that has been dilated will be congruent to the original shape. That is false. It is going to be similar, but it should not still be congruent. On this triangle, KLM and triangle HIJ shown above are congruent. True or false, a single rotation will map these two. I have my 59 here. If I could rotate this one like this, or if I could rotate this one like this would make it true. You have to be careful on these. If I would have had to do any kind of flipping, that's a reflection, not a rotation. But for this one, a rotation would put it there. And number 12, just a throwback using trig. I have my opposite side, I have my adjacent side. This would be tangent because of those. The tangent of theta, whatever my angle is equal to my opposite side over my adjacent side. And grab a calculator real fast. So when I look at that, this is when I have to use that arctan. So when I turn this on, I'm doing that arctan, the tan to the -1, 8 divided by 5.